thank you so much for being here and watching. So I'm a little late at putting out this video, so I apologize, but today we are opening up 2 of the My Paper Box subscriptions. They offer 2 different options, and we're going to be opening both of them today. So they have the mini box and the grand box. So right here is the mini box, and this one is $10 a month, and you get 3 personalized notepads. So what My Paper Box is a personalized stationery subscription. So everything you get for both subscription options will be personalized, and it's so cute and always so on theme, and it's January 2020 right now, and I know it's going to be so good. There's going to be things in here to help me get back on track of my goals. Maybe it's good I'm opening it later in the month, because you know, like sometimes you start the year off so ambitious and then you kind of trail off. Well, this will hopefully be my reminder, because on the grand box it says 2020, the year of kitty. So I'm guessing there'll be some tools in here. So in the grand box, this is at $28, and you get a bunch of different stuff in here. You might get some notepads, but you get a bunch of other different personalized stationery items as well. So stay tuned, we will see what's in the January box. They offer a monthly and a bi-monthly subscription option, so I think that's great. So if you're feeling like you might get overloaded with stationery, you can do it every other month. And I believe I do have a promo code. I will leave all of that information down below. But yeah, let's get started. Let's start with the mini box, so the $10 one. And on here it says, "Hello, fellow stationery addict." So here are all the notepads together, and there's a little note for us too. It says, "Welcome to January. I hope that in this year to come you make mistakes, because if you're making mistakes, then you are making new things, trying new things, learning, living, pushing yourself, changing your world. You're doing things you've never done before, and more importantly, you're doing something. The past month you've probably spent most of the time worrying about the others around you. This month we want to remind you not to forget about yourself. Start the new year by putting yourself first. Use a large pad to plan things to do for yourself. No matter if you set a New Year's resolution or not, I'm sure you have a goal you would like to achieve. Use the sticker on the back of this card to write down your goals and keep them nearby. You are more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down. When you start writing down your goals, you embed them deeply into your mind. Self-accountability happens the moment you commit on paper your intent to reach an objective. When you put a pen to paper, it's as if you're subconsciously giving yourself a command." Nice. Let's get this open and see. So the mini box usually comes like the end of the first week of the month, and the grand box comes before the month even starts. So I've had these for a little while. I always wait to do them together. Plus, like I said, I'm behind on boxes. Sorry guys. So just wanted to let you guys know that. So here's the sticker. So we got 3 notepads and a sticker. So this is a sticker that says goals. This is such a good idea. So they said to write down your goals and place the sticker somewhere while you will see it. So I'm definitely going to do that. I think the colors are so cute too. And then the first notepad, well, the 2 notepads, these look kind of similar. They both say kitty, but they have different designs on them. So you can see kitty up there. Hopefully you guys can see the pretty colors. Sometimes like light colors like this don't show through on camera, but this is super cute. And then here is the second notepad. And these are the type of notepads you can really use for anything. The big notepad, this looks super cool. So on here it says things to do, and that says for kitty, for work, for the house, for the family, today, and this week. And it has such cute colors. So here it is from far away. Now let me kind of show you up close so you can see the different sections of it. I love this. Seriously, the notepads they send are always so useful and so freaking cute. I am totally gonna get started using this. I make lists every single day. I have to write things down to get them done. It's a good reminder, and isn't it just so satisfying to check something off? Like, it really is. So yeah, that was everything that came in the mini box. Let's get started on the grand box. Oh, when you subscribe, they also give you an option to like get the calendar on your phone, which we'll see in a minute. I have my phone on Do Not Disturb, so sorry you can't really see all of it, but so they give you like different backgrounds you can choose on your phone. So I think that's really cool. I always try and remember to tell you guys that. So when I open the box, this is what it looks like. It says 2020 is looking bright. Love it. And then everything is wrapped up in some tissue, and it says open. Okay, I'll open you. Oh man, that's so cute. And here is our note on top. It says, Happy New Year. We designed this month's box around the new year. Let's make each day special. 2020 is the year of you. Same you, new opportunities. Our inspirational pineapple is here to help you have a great year. Do not forget to download your monthly phone calendar, which I just showed you. I'm glad they reminded me too in case I forgot. So look at that inspirational pineapple right there. It says tips to make the most out of this month. Included are some items that you can place around your house to inspire every day of the new year. Place the magnet in your kitchen. Okay, so it's listing about things inside, so I won't read all of it. But one thing I love about the Grand Box is it tells you like every freaking holiday of the month. You know how there's like a day for everything? It tells you those days. So I'm filming this so late in the month. What day is it? I go to Chicago tomorrow, so it's already the 23rd of January. I say this every single month, but where the hell is time going? So let's see. Oh, there is something today. January 23rd is National Handwriting Day. Perfect day to use your compliment cards. Oh, so I guess we got compliment cards in here. And then under the holiday, it'll tell you like some tips or like what to do to celebrate. So we'll just read today's. It says, participate in National Handwriting Day by writing a note or letter to someone. January 23rd was chosen because this is the birthday of John Hancock. John Hancock was the first person to sign the Declaration of Independence. Aww. And tomorrow's compliment day. And then I'll just tell you the rest of the month because I don't know when I'm posting this video. January 28th is Fun at Work Day. I think it's important to have fun sometimes because work isn't always fun. We all know that. January 29th is National Puzzle Day. January 30th is Inane Answering Day. What does that mean? And then January 31st is Backward Day. So this is what the sheet looks like. And then on the back, it'll just list all of them here so you can see it all there. And then right on top, so underneath that is a notepad that says 2020 is the year of Kitty, and it has the inspirational pineapple on it. Why do I love that inspirational pineapple so much? And then here is the calendar with all of the holidays on it. So when you first subscribe, you will get a little frame that you can put your new card in each month. And then this is also going to be like an option for the phone background. So the one I have is just like the dates, but you can get one that has the holidays as well. And loving that inspirational pineapples on here. Cool. More inspirational pineapple. It's probably going to be on everything. You're going to get sick of me saying that. So it looks like this is a card with a pineapple on it. Let's see what this looks like. So yeah, it's a card. Their cards always come with envelopes to use. So here is the front of the card. And on the back it says My Paper Box and then Card by Kitty. And inside there is something written, so let me read it to you. It says, where's the party at? Hope today is everything you wished it would be. Your friend Kitty. So sweet. You guys, I have been getting a lot of cards now from them. I need to start sending them out. And then next it's another card. It says, you are one fine apple, like a pun on pineapple. This card's really pretty. I love the colors. And again on the back it says Card by Kitty. The envelope's even like a fun color. And on the inside, let me read what it says. It says, friends are the people in your life who make you laugh louder, smile brighter, and live better. All that describes you. Thanks for being the sweetest part of my life. Sincerely, Kitty. That's so sweet. I love that. Oh, and why do we have these? We have some of those like 3D glasses in here. Are we gonna need these for something? Whoa, this looks weird with the ring light. Let me look at and see if any of these. I just sent these with this card. It looks cool with the card. I'm guessing that's why these are in here. I won't keep them on the whole video because I could barely like, keep them on my big head, but cool. I think I might have to send them with that card because it works for that. But in here, let's look at what I think this is a whole bag of stickers. It says 2020 is looking bright for Kitty. 2020, the year of Kitty. What if I just have these all around my house? People will be like, wow, you're really into yourself, aren't you? Here's a little sticker that says Kitty, the year of Kitty. I'm liking this though. I'm gonna leave these around. I mean, I don't have people over that often. I'm doing it for me. It's my year. Oh, inspirational pineapple card. And on the inside it says, happy birthday, stay sweet, love Kitty. So I'll have to save this for someone's birthday. I'm trying to think. I think I had a friend who just had a birthday like 2 days ago. And then here are some stickers that say a bunch of different things. I see one that says be positive. That is something I really am striving to be every day. Spread happiness, be colorful. You can. Smile, be you, you are special. Awesome sauce. Oh, these are so cute. I'm totally gonna add these like when I send things to people. I usually use a sticker to like seal envelopes too. I don't like licking them. Is it just me? Do you guys like licking envelopes? Oh. But next up we have a little notepad here. Oh, and they say all different things on it. It says, you're a pineapple in a world of apples. And then, you're awesome, friend. You're so cool, I'm not even mad about it. Thank you for that thing you did. First of all, I really like you. Second of all, you're really awesome. You're all that in a bag of chips. So these must be the compliment cards. I won't read every single one to you, but this is so sweet. Like, doesn't this box just bring you such positive vibes? Yes. Oh, and cute. We have a little pineapple. It looks like it might be like a pineapple paperweight or something like that. My own little inspirational pineapple I can have right here on my desk. I think a cat just walked in. I always have to do a check that they're not like eating my plants because sometimes when I'm filming they do that and I don't notice. Oh yeah, it's like a little thing for your desk, a little pineapple. My inspirational pineapple, I'm putting them right there. And then, oh, here's a magnet. I think we mentioned something about a magnet earlier. It says, wherever you go, no matter what the weather, always bring your own sunshine. Oh. I'll definitely bring this downstairs and put it on my fridge right away. And we're not done yet. It says, wherever you go, no matter what the weather, always bring your own sunshine. There's like a bunch of these little cards in here. Wow, it's like the never-ending positivity box. So many inspirational pineapples. One person can make a difference and everyone should try. So you can like frame these or put these around. With the new day comes new strengths and new thoughts. Wherever you go, no matter what the weather, always bring your own sunshine. Did I read that one already? Oh no, that was the magnet. The first step is to say you can. Oh man, I'm gonna put all these inspirational things all around my house right after filming. I guess my friends coming over for dinner today and they love positive vibes too, so it's cool. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Oh. I just love my new friend, Inspirational Pineapple. Victory is in having done your best. If you've done your best, you've won. Now we're almost done. It says, positive anything is better than negative nothing. True that. Decide to be happy because it's good for your health. Man, these are so cute. You can just like include these in cars or you can hang them wherever, like I'm gonna do. Joy is not in things, it is in us. And then the last one says, attitude is a little thing that makes a difference. Yes. I know like when you're feeling down and out, when people say things like, just think positively, it helps. It's so annoying to hear that, but just having a positive attitude helps everything in the world. Believe me, I've been down and out and I seem really positive because I try. It takes effort, but being a positive person, it makes the world of difference. But I'll stop on that note. And then the last thing is a little journal here and it says, I can see clearly now 2020. I bet this would look cool with the glasses. You're an awesome person. And then it lists all the months. I think this is like a little planner. Okay, this is totally for your 3D glasses. Whoa. Be bright. Oh my god, you guys, this is like psychedelic. This is cool. I haven't worn any of these things before. Every single page looks cool with this on. Oh my god, so yeah, this is like a little planner with cool pictures that are 3D. And then in the back it looks like they have a bunch of quotes and stuff. Like, messing with my head. It says, I'll just read the one page here. It says, though no one can go back and make a brand new start, anyone can start from now and make a brand new ending. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. And there's a bunch of quotes. Oh my god, so this is perfect. I have so many planners. Maybe I should like give someone this. Oh my god, this is such a good box. So that was everything, you guys. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling pretty freaking positive and good right now. Ready to conquer my goals, have a positive day. I hope you are too from watching this video. Again, I will leave all the information for this box down below. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!